I'd like to first congratulate Nilanjan and DK Motaji for this lovely, impactful platform they started at, where they're having wonderful, engaging conversations with Rotary related issues.
Yeah.
I attended the last podcast where we had the past, the present, and incoming district governors talking about their visions. So, what we could gather from that is they're talking about commitment, continuity, and leadership and service. So, this is something we all really learn a lot from. And today's main topic was Ryla. Again, Rotary engages in recognizing, nurturing young minds, trying to groom them to become leaders of a society. So, this is something which is very well done. So from all these podcasts, what we can understand again is it's again about how Praveerda just now spoke. It's about mentorship, inspiration, and service, which leads to leadership.
Agreeing to that.
And for anything better you can do, there's so many topics. We have different avenues of service. And like he's talking about public image. Yes, that is very important. Rotary is, we have to let everybody know about what we all do, the service which we do for the community, which has to be publicized better. Like they say, it's not just by publicity, but by social media, using that medium to do all these things. And once again, congratulate Rotarian Lanjan and DK Motaji for this wonderful platform. And this is something again where non-Rotarians also learn about Rotary, and it ignites a little bit of interest in them. They can also join Rotary and join the big family and do service with a smile. So that's what. Thank you so very much for having me here today.